Hello and welcome to my channel Biostudies. Myself Komal, your biology tutor. In this lecture, I am telling you about meristematic tissues from the chapter Anatomy of Flowering Plants. So let's begin. Before starting, I am telling you about a flow chart of plant tissues. It's a very interesting chart. Plant tissues divides into meristematic tissues and permanent tissues based on whether the cells being formed are capable of dividing or not, right? And then the meristematic tissues based on their location and function, they further divided into apical, lateral and intercalary meristem. In this lecture, our main focus is on meristematic tissues. So let's begin. Meristematic tissues are a group of young, actively dividing cells in plants that is responsible for growth, and they are found in specific regions. So, these meristematic tissues, these are basically tissues which are form of cells. We all know tissues are a group of cells that have a common origin and they usually perform a common function. These meristematic tissues are a group of that cells which are dividing in nature, which are actively dividing cells in plants that are responsible for growth. And these are found in specific regions like the root tips, shoot tips, right? So, the characteristics of meristematic tissues are, first is it is made up of small thin wall cells and with large nucleus and dense cytoplasm. In the meristematic cells or tissues, the vacuoles are not present because meristematic tissues are made up of cells that are actively dividing, and vacuoles store food and nutrients which are not needed when cells are dividing. Okay, and these are capable of continuous cell division, which is the main function of the meristematic tissues. Okay, what is meristem? Meristem growth in plants is largely restricted to a specialized regions of actively dividing cells, or active cell division is called as meristem. So I am telling you what is meristem. Suppose this is a region of cell where cells are actively dividing. This specialized region is known as meristem. This specialized region is known as meristem. Okay. Types of meristem. First is apical meristem, because these are present in the apex or the tips of root or shoot. That's why it is known as apical meristem. Here you can see root apical meristem, which occupies the tip of roots. Shoot apical meristem, which occupies the distant most region of the stem. Next meristematic tissue type is intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem, the meristem which occurs between the mature tissues. It is known as intercalary meristem. Here you can see it is present at internodes. Internodes are the region between two nodes or leaf bases, which helps in regrowth. It is a very important point. I am telling you these intercalary meristem, they occur in grasses and regenerate parts that is removed by the grazing herbivores. It's a very important line. I am again telling you these intercalary meristem, they occur in grasses, they occur in grasses and regenerate parts removed by the grazing herbivores. Okay. Next is lateral meristem. These meristem that occur in the mature region of root and shoots of many plants, particularly those that produce the woody axis and appear later than the primary meristem. Okay, before starting with this lateral meristem, I am telling you one more thing, that is primary meristem. These apical and intercalary meristem, both these meristem are known as primary meristem. Why? Because they appear early in the life of a plant and contribute to the formation of the primary प्लांट बॉडी. लाइक स्टार्टिंग में सबसे पहले प्राइमरी मेरिस्टेम फॉर्मेशन होगा एपिकल रीजन पे, एपेक्स पे और इंटरकैलरी. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ एपिकल मेरिस्टेम. ऑन द अदर साइड, the lateral meristem are the secondary in nature because they are formed later in the life of a plant. That's why it is written here. It is responsible for the secondary growth. That's why it is present in the vascular core cambium, right? Vascular cambium for the vascular bundles and all. Core cambium, woody nature, and very important function is that is girth. Width increase के लिए, for increasing the girth or a width of a plant, lateral meristem are responsible. Intercalary meristem regenerate parts removed by grazing herbivores. They occur in that particular areas. In the grasses it is present. Apical meristem are present at the apex, responsible for the you can say that growth. It is present the apex or the height and all. Intercalary done, primary meristem done. It is a beautiful diagram. Here you can see the apical meristem, intercalary meristem and the lateral meristem. Alright. Okay. Now what are the functions of meristematic tissues? First, growth in length. Apical meristem responsible for growth in length. For girth, lateral meristem responsible. Formation of new organs, right? Healing of the wounds, differentiation into the permanent tissues. So summary of this small and precise lecture of meristematic tissue I am saying is meristematic tissue are responsible for plant growth, classified into apical, intercalary, lateral based on the location like apex, at the internodal and leaf base, lateral for the girth and increasing, or you can say that vascular cambium and all, location and the functions, girth and length. Okay, here it's a quiz time guys. So first question is, which meristem help in increasing girth? It's a question for you. You pause the video for maximum 2 to 3 seconds. It's a very easy question. Which meristem helps in increasing girth? So answer is very easy, lateral meristem, right? Okay, next question. Pause the video and answer it. The meristem, apical meristem of the root is present only in tap roots, only in adventitious root, only in radical, or in all the roots? Fast. Answer is in all the roots, right? So it's a homework question for you students. Put your answers in the comment section. I'm reading the question. Regeneration of damaged growing grass following grazing is largely due to secondary, lateral, apical, intercalary. Which one is correct? Put your answer in the comment box. It's again a very easy question. Okay. So thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, put your doubts in the comment section, and again put your answer in the comment section also. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.